My dear viewers, you have probably wondered why I haven't posted every Friday a new video in the last weeks, but this had a serious background. I had problems with my PC. To be more precise, it started all in April when I got a Windows update. And as you can probably see in the background, that's what my PC showed me. It was not a very clear picture that we had, and somehow it all got blurred up and it was almost impossible to work in this condition. So I had to stop for a while. We ordered a new PC because nobody was able to tell me how to fix this very strange update error that I got. I asked in several different forums and I asked Microsoft itself, but they were not very helpful. I only got the information that I had to ask NVIDIA. So my graphic driver card is from NVIDIA, and the last update came out 3 years ago, and I was asked by Microsoft to ask NVIDIA to solve the problem. But at the end, this led to no solution. So we came to the solution to order a new PC for getting rid of this strange problem. So we ordered the new PC by the beginning of May, but the case had several weeks of delivery time, so that we had to wait until the beginning of June until I was able to work on my own PC again with enough power to do cutting movies and doing graphic things. So we really invested in a good new PC, and it's very fast. This thing is very fast. I only used it a few times in the last weeks. I have not done very much cutting with it now, but as you can see, I'm continuing to work on new projects and you will get new videos in the next weeks.